Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our carbon fiber-like seat cowl for the Can-Am Ryker. If you own a Can-Am Ryker that's equipped with the factory BRP Max Mount, either by itself or with a passenger seat attached to it, but you find yourself riding solo more often than not, then our ABS plastic mono seat cowl may be just for you. This mono seat cowl is constructed from a durable ABS plastic and features a stylish carbon fiber-like pattern for a super sporty look that snaps directly into your factory max mount without the need for any tools and locks into place with the attached lever on the underside of the max mount, allowing you to easily transition from a two-up seating configuration to a sporty single-seater in minutes. So to install, start by removing your factory passenger seat. Then simply line up the seat cowl to the max mount. Push down on the back of the cowl until you feel it snap into place. Then turn the lever at the front of the cowl underneath the max mount to lock it in place. So if you'd like to take your Ryker from this to this when you're riding solo, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a carbon fiber pattern mono seat cowl for your Ryker. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.